12.1 question number 8. Eighth question. A boat has to cross a river. A boat has to cross a river. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river. It crosses the river. It crosses the river by making an angle. By making an angle of 60 degrees. Of 60 degrees with the bank. With the bank of the river. Of the river. Bank of the river. Due to the stream. Due to the stream of the river. Of the river. Due to the stream of the river. And travels a distance of 600 meters. 600 meters to reach the another side of river. Another side of river. What is the width of the river? What is the width of the river? Okay, now so a boat has to cross a river. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank. So with 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the water, and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? So for example, let us consider a river flows like this. A river flows like this. So let us consider first initial point of boat is A, and so we need to travel, actually this is the width of the river. AB is the width of the river actually, but it is not traveled like this. So it is this is a 90 degrees angle. Actually the boat should travel according to the 90 degrees. If the 90 degrees, if the boat will be traveled, that distance will be the shortest distance. That is the width of the river actually. But instead of 90 degrees, the boat moved making an angle 60 degrees only. Why it is only 60 degrees? Simply because of speed of the water flows on the river. So due to stream, the speed of the water. So actually the 90 degrees, it has to go 90 degrees, but it went 60 degrees only. If it went 60 degrees, the boat traveled 600 meters. Actually how much length, how much distance it should be traveled? Actually the least distance traveled is width of the road. So we need to find out the width of the road. Here the point A, which is the initial point, boat is started. Due to stream, it went 60 degrees. This is the 60 degrees. If it is 60 degrees, let us consider this is point P. So AP, the distance traveled by boat. How much is the distance traveled? 600 meters. 600 meters. So let us consider this is X. So we need to find out AB. So this distance we need. So if this angle is given, this length is given, we need to find this. So this is the right angle. So for this triangle we need to choose. Okay. Now solution. Let AB is the width of the road. AB is the width of the road, and A is the initial point. The distance traveled the distance traveled by boat is AP, that is AP equal to 600 meters. So the distance traveled by AP is 600 meters. Now since it is a right angle, angle A to right angle, this angle 60, this angle is equal to 30, or else since AX and BP are parallel lines, AX, so given angle XAP is equal to 60 degrees. So this is given. So the boat traveled with the bank, the angle between bank to the traveled in the direction of boat traveled is equal to 60. Okay, now this angle is 60 degrees. Given AX and BP are parallel lines, AP is transversal. AP is the transversal. So if AP is the transversal, alternative interior angles are equal. Angle XAP, which is equal to angle APB, which is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now consider triangle APB. Triangle APB is a right triangle. This is a right triangle. So we need to find out AB. Hypotenuse is given. AB is the opposite side. So opposite side and hypotenuse relation sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 60 equal to, what is opposite side? AB. Next hypotenuse AP. So sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. AB we don't know. AP 600. Next one, AB equal to 600 into 2 by root 3. 600 into 2 by root 3. Rationalization, root 3 by root 3. AB equal to 600 into 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. 600 by 3, 200 into 2 root 3. That is equal to 400 root 3. So this is equal to 400 root 3. So therefore 600 by 3 equal to 100. 200 into 2, 400. So 400 root 3. So therefore the width of the river equal to 400 root 3 meters. So this is the required solution. Okay, next. Question number 9th. An observer of height 1.8 meters, of height 1.8, an observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away, is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? What is the height of palm tree? Okay. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. Is 13.2 meters away from palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his size is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? Okay, first I am taking tree. So we don't know what is the length. Let us consider the length of palm tree is equal to AB. We need to find out AB actually. So observer is how much height? 1.8. CD equal to 1.8. This is given. And the distance between foot of the tree and foot of the person is how much? 13.2 meters. This is 13.2. Automatically I want to draw a horizontal through point D. So let us consider this point is E. So this length is also equal to 1.8 because the height of the person won't be changed. So this is 1.8. Next, this is 13.2. Since this is right angle, this is right angle, so opposite sides are parallel. This is horizontal, this is horizontal. Opposite sides are parallel, and angle between them 90 degrees. So it is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, 13.2 meters. Now I want to take a line of sight. This angle is equal to 45 degrees. We need to find out length of the tree. So length of the tree is AB. We need to find AB. First, I want to write the information. First, let height of tree is AB. Let AB is the height of the tree. Next, let CD is the height of the person. Height of 13.2 meters. Observer. Height of observer. Okay. Next, so the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation from the angle of elevation from eye of the observer is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. If we draw a horizontal, through point D, then it meets AB at E, and AE equal to 1.8 meters. So since AE DC, so opposite sides are parallel, is a parallelogram. So DE equal to AC equal to 13.2 meters. So this is given in the information. The distance between foot of the tree and foot of the person is 13.2. This is 13.2. This is also 13.2. Okay. Now consider triangle BDE. So it is right triangle. So right angle at E, and we need BE. BE is what? Opposite side. DE is adjacent side. Relation opposite by adjacent hypotenuse. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta 45 equal to opposite is equal to BE, adjacent equal to DE. Tan 45 1 equal to BE by DE implies BE equal to DE. So implies BE equal to what is DE? DE equal to 13.2 meters. Overall, so we need AB. AB equal to AB is split as BE and AE. So AE plus BE. AE equal to 1.8, BE equal to 13.2. Overall, if we add 15 meters, what is the AB height of the tree? Therefore, height of the tree equal to AB, which is equal to 15 meters. The height of the tree is equal to 15 meters. This is the required solution. In applications of trigonometry, exercise 12.1, 10th question. 10th question. In the adjacent figure, AC equal to 6 centimeters, AC equal to 6 centimeters, AB equal to 5 centimeters, AB equal to 5 centimeters, and angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so the diagram is so BAC, so angle 30 degrees. Next 5 centimeters, AB equal to 5 centimeters. AB 5 centimeters, angle BAC 30 degrees. We need to find the triangle. And AC is equal to 6 centimeters. AC equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, now so if we observe this figure, triangle ABC I am taking. In the triangle ABC, this angle A equal to 30 degrees, AB 5 centimeters, AC equal to 6 centimeters. We need to find out the area of the triangle. Okay, first given solution, given that AC equal to 6 centimeters, AB equal to 5 centimeters, angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. So BAC, so this angle 30 degrees, this is 5 centimeters, this is 6 centimeters. So I want to draw perpendicular through B to AC, which meets at P. Let us consider AP equal to X, PC equal to 6 minus X. Automatically AC equal to what? AC equal to 6. This is X. 6 minus X equal to 6 minus X. Okay, PC equal to 6 minus X. So we draw perpendicular through point B to the side BC, not BC, side AC, which meets at point P. So AC is the side. We are drawing a perpendicular to the vertex B, which meets AC at point P. Okay, now triangle from triangle A, I want to find BP. From the triangle APB, if we consider this triangle, so this is the angle, this is what? This is the hypotenuse, this is the right angle, this is the hypotenuse, this is opposite side. Relation between opposite and hypotenuse I want to take. So sine from triangle APB is right triangle at P. Okay, so sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine 30. Opposite how much? Opposite equal to PB. Next, hypotenuse is equal to AB. Sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to PB. PB equal to, we don't know, PB by AB equal to 5. So implies PB equal to 5 by 2 centimeters. So this is PB, this is AC equal to 6. So if we are taking area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. What is base? Base equal to AC. What is height? PB or BB. So 1 by 2 into AC equal to 6, PB equal to 5 by 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 15 by 2 equal to 7.5 square centimeters. So area equal to 7.5 square centimeters or centimeter square. So this is the required result. Okay, next same concept, exercise 12.2. First question we will discuss, exercise 12.2. First one, a TV tower stands vertically. A TV tower stands vertically. A TV tower stands vertically on the ground, on the side of a ground, on a side of a road, on a side of a road. From a point on the other side, from a point on the other side, from a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower, directly opposite to the tower, directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top, the angle of elevation, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower, of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away, from another point 10 meters away, from another point 10 meters away, from this point, another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining, this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation, of the top of the tower, is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. And width of the road. Okay, now a TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point, a TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. Okay, from a point other side of the road, directly opposite to the tower. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point is point to foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay, find the height of the tower and width of the road. Now one more time. A TV tower stands vertically. So I am taking road. First this is road. Let us consider this is point A, this point B. So this is the width of the road. So for this, so TV tower stands at somewhere point P. So this is the TV tower. So AB is the width of the road, BB is the tower, TV tower vertically stand, TV tower, this is the tower. So BP is the TV tower. Next one, so first one, angle of elevation 60 degrees. So A, B is the width of the road. This angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now after from 10 meters away from this point, so actually this is the road away from this point. So here, so let us consider this point is C. So C is the point which is 10 meters away. So this is equal to 10 meters. So now the angle of elevation to point P, this is equal to 30 degrees. So first point 60 degrees, second point 30 degrees after traveling 10 meters. Okay, find the height of the tower. We need to find out PB and width of the road AB. We need to find PB as well as AB. Okay, now solution. So first I want to write the information. Let AB is the width of the road. AB is the width of the road. PB is the height of the tower. PB is the height of the tower. So this is width of the road, this is height of the tower. So C is the point which is 10 meters away from point A. So C is the point which is 10 meters away from point A. So given angle BAP equal to 60 degrees, angle BCP equal to 30 degrees. So let us consider this is equal to x, this is equal to height h. So let AB equal to x and BP equal to h. We need to find x and h. So since first what I am taking this triangle, I want to take ABP. So from right triangle ABP, right triangle ABP, h and x, this is opposite, this is adjacent relation. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is equal to BP by adjacent AB. So tan theta equal to tan 60 equal to BP. BP equal to what? VB equal to h, AB equal to x. Tan 60 root 3 equal to h by x. H equal to x root 3. H value x root 3. Now, so I am taking another triangle. So from right triangle CBP, this is the right triangle I am taking. So this is opposite, this is adjacent. Tan theta again, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent equal to tan theta equal to opposite BP adjacent CB. Okay, tan 30 degrees, tan 30 equal to BP equal to H. CB, CA plus AB, that is 10 plus X. Tan 30, 1 by root 3 equal to H by 10 plus X. 10 plus X equal to cross multiplication H root 3. Okay, I want to substitute this one in this given equation, H equal to X root 3. So 10 plus X equal to H. h equal to x root 3, x root 3 into root 3. 10 plus x equal to root 3 into root 3, 3x. X bringing outside 10 equal to 3x minus x, 2x equal to 10. X equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 meters. X value 5 meters. Then h equal to x root 3, x equal to 5 root 3 meters. What is h? Height of the TV tower. Height of TV tower equal to height of TV tower BP equal to h, which is equal to 5 root 3 meters. Next, this width of the road. Width of the road. What is width of the road? Width of the road is what we took. So AB is the width of the road. AB equal to, which is equal to x. X value how much we got? 5 meters. So this is the required solution.